Hello everybody. I just want to share with you this recipe. I did it yesterday and I liked it so much that I'm doing it today again. And it is chicken. I had the chicken marinating in my refrigerator for the last 2 days, but you can do it for one day or few hours. It's up to you. What happened, I do a big quantity so I don't have to be doing it every day. Now I added two tablespoons of rice and 4 ounces of sweet potato. And then of course fresh garlic, fresh onion. Like I said, 4 or 3 ounces of sweet potato and 2 tablespoons of rice. At the end, because it's almost done, I added cilantro. You don't have to add cilantro if you don't like cilantro, but I also put some basil leaves. Basil, because I grow basil, I love it. So I have to tell you, this is an amazing recipe. It's a great carbohydrate because you have the potato, the sweet potato, you have the rice, only 2 tablespoons of rice, no more than that. And then what happens is going to give you all the beautiful carbs that you need for your workout. And it's going to, I have my leg workout today, a lot of energy, a lot of power, because you need good carbs if you want to lift and you're serious about your workouts. Okay, you need energy. And the energy is given to you by your carbohydrates. And then chicken with rice, sweet potato, garlic, onion, cilantro, basil. Enjoy. I hope you like this idea. This is an idea. Don't ask me for the recipe because I'm just giving you ideas that you can do it. I don't cook by recipe. I cook by inspiration. I say pow, you say wow. Pow.